A cryptographic currency known as Avalanche has been wreaking havoc in the realm of electronic money. It's quite possible that the most well-known sophisticated currency out there because of its unique computation and speedy exchange speed. Many people are wondering what the future holds for Avalanche and whether its price will keep going up. This video will explain what an Avalanche is, what cryptocurrency experts think of it, and, of course, Avax coin price prediction. So make sure to stick to the end of this video. You're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we'll never ask for your number or personal information, and we'll certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So please be aware of the scams and spam comments in the comment section. According to its creators, Avalanche is the fastest blockchain platform in the world by time to absolution. It's an open, programmable, brilliant agreement blockchain stage. Of any confirmation of stake agreement tool, it also has the most validators receiving its movement. According to the official website, any project can defeat its competitors by initiating a tornado slide. On September 21, 2020, the Avalanche network was launched on the mainnet. Since then, it has provided security to more than 450 projects and reached more than 1,300 block creating validators. The task's local region connects more than 1.5 million people worldwide. The work group's goal is to construct the fastest blockchain possible. Avalanche uses 3 blockchains, X-chain, C-chain, and P-chain, rather than one to achieve this goal. These blockchains were acquired by the organization's organization validators using essential organization. Avalanche is protected from overburden that other blockchain experience since all information is shared among all of the entities. The torrential slope virtual machines, that is VM, conveyed blockchains may be altered to suit the needs of the creator. The Avalanche network enables users to launch dApps that can instantly confirm transactions and cycle through thousands of transactions per second. Blockchain technology that is capable of withstanding a tidal slide allows developers to use the most common tool. Additionally, the group allows straightforward symbolic exchange between Avalanche and Ethereum. The native symbol for the Avalanche blockchain is Avax. It serves as a basic unit of record for subnetworks and is also employed for expenditure reimbursement. To increase the security of the stage, the customers can stake or safeguard their tokens. With a maximum of 720 million coins available for use, Avax has a limited stock of tokens. Avax value. Will it reach $25 today? The cost after beginning the new month exchange on site and Air Union dropped to its lowest point during the previous trading day. From that moment on, the resource began to move decisively in the positive direction and increased by 11%. However, the price is rapidly increasing from $19.8 to $20.3 and a positive breakthrough is thus eagerly expected. Currently trading inside a bullish banner, the Avax price intends to add another post to the bullish banner. However, the combo is predicted to prevail until the end of the day. And further, the cost may once again escape the consolidation to reach levels close to $22 before the day's exchange. Since the May collapse, the cost of a tidal slide has been severely overestimated, keeping a little pattern around $30. The cost might nonetheless increase significantly and ultimately reach levels before the disaster given the circling market sentiments. The price is anticipated to hold at the obtained levels toward the end of the yearly exchange and maintain regions of strength for a direction shortly. The expected value of a tidal slip in 2023. PricePrediction.net predicts that coin's price will surpass $30.8308 by December in their Avalanche cost predictions for 2023. Trading Beast speculating on Avalanche future predicts more development as well, estimating that the cost would eventually reach $30.966078. Wallet Investors deviates from the norm by continuing to predict Avalanche cost drop, giving cost estimates of about $3.3033 in 2023. Is Avalanche cryptocurrency a better investment than Bitcoin? Depending on what you're looking for, torrential other digital currency could be a better investment for you than Bitcoin. Placing your money in Bitcoin is probably safer because it's more established and seasoned. However, if you can handle the danger in general well, you could succeed in Avalanche. For instance, Avalanche cost prediction for 2025 predict that Avax development would cost more than 3 times as much. Make the essential research and remember to genuinely look at Bitcoin and Avalanche projections before money management to gauge your risk tolerance. Will the digital currency Avalanche reach $100? According to a lot of experts, Avalanche digital currency will reach $100. According to certain Avalanche cryptocurrency price predictions, it may reach $100 in as little as 2 or 3 years. These figures are what various experts predict the price of an Avax coin to be in 2025 or a similar year. Is it advisable to speculate on Avalanche coin? Numerous experts agree that the Avalanche coin is a good bet. Avalanche changed into a market premium in summer before 2021 when its biological systems landed upward and the project caught people's attention. Since then, the price of Avax, the project's local symbol, has increased dramatically. What do you think of this video? Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.